Could robots ever replace soldiers on the battlefield? It's a complex issue. Robots offer advantages, like reduced risk to human lives and precision. But can they truly replace soldiers? Robots lack human judgment, empathy, and the ability to adapt to unpredictable situations. They're great for tasks like bomb disposal, but combat requires human intuition and decision-making. But what if we develop advanced AI that can mimic human responses? Even then, ethical and legal questions arise. Can we trust machines with life and death decisions? The role of soldiers is irreplaceable, but technology can augment their capabilities. Thus, it's possible that in the future, humans and robots may collaborate to use the greatest aspects of both worlds in combat. So, what are your thoughts? Fill out the comments section.